Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to hide your friend list on Facebook. Friends, if you are using Facebook, then it is always better to hide your friend list. So first we need to open Facebook and here press on the right side corner of the screen. Here scroll it little down. Now here press on setting and privacy. Under setting and privacy, press on privacy shortcut. Here scroll it little down. Press on see more privacy settings. Here scroll it little down. Here you will find option of who can see your friend list. Here press on see more. Now here friends is selected by default and you can change the setting to only me if you don't want any of your friend can see your friend list. Now only you can see your friend list, no one can else will able to see your friend list. So friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.